We all want to find the best trees with our Personal Use Forest Products Permit, or PUFPP, but it's important to ensure we harvest responsibly from Crown land designated for this purpose. A new interactive map is now available to indicate more clearly where you can harvest with a PUFPP. First of all, you must use your PUFPP within one of Alberta's 10 forest areas. Zoom into the forest area you want to harvest in. Areas designated for PUFPP use will be marked by green shading. PUFPP harvest is not permitted in gray shaded areas. Or you can click on the Add Point symbol and click on the area you have in mind. A pop-up will indicate whether harvest is generally permitted at this location. You still need to follow the PUFPP terms and conditions when using your permit. For instance, you can't use your permit in active logging areas, including where reforestation has taken place. No PUFPP use is allowed near water bodies, in campgrounds or provincial recreation areas, and facilities such as industrial camps and forestry bases, even though they may be within PUFPP permitted areas. Consult the PUFPP terms and conditions for all restricted sites. Some areas will show up in purple shading. Harvest may be allowed here. They include sites such as grazing leases, where you will need the grazing leaseholder's permission to access the land. There is a convenient link in the pop-up to access more information. Once you've found the perfect spot, click on the right arrow at the bottom of the pop-up to see what forest area you're in. And if you're on a desktop, the pop-up will have a quick link to the permit application form. On a mobile device, this can be found in the Guide tab. Another handy feature allows you to copy the coordinates of your preferred site to enter into mapping applications such as Google Maps. Just hit the copy symbol in the coordinates box and paste into your preferred mapping tool. For more information on using the interactive map, click on the Guide tab. Choosing the perfect site for using your PUFPP is just the first step. Be sure to obtain your permit online, consult the terms and conditions, and keep a copy of your permit with you while harvesting and transporting your timber.